Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Many iPhone users were unable to do the hack process because of the unavailability of fake GPS. For iOS device to have the fake GPS or do the fake GPS, we need to do the jailbreak of the iPhone. What we call in Android terms as rooting the phone. So which is not highly recommended or which is not like safe to do it. So here I am with another method for iOS people. Without any third party app or without any fake GPS, you can fly your drone over 30 meters. In this video I'll be using iPhone SE for the testing purpose. This method can be utilized on any iOS devices, and parallelly it can be implemented even on the Android devices. For that I will be making a separate video for the Android users. So this time I'm carrying my laptop in my car and all the stuffs so that I can hack it 2 times. So firstly I have connected my drone to the drone hack software and changed the parameters to 120 meters, and I have not changed anything in the iPhone, and I have not even turned off the internet and GPS. So let's quickly test it after just doing with the drone hacks. Now I have flied my drone more than 15 meters without connecting to the phone, and let's see what happens once it is connected to the phone. I have connected the cable to the phone, and
Maximum
now
flight
it's
altitude
automatically
reached.
descending back to 15 meters. This was the problem that was reported by many people, that it's ascending back to the 15 meters. If we do not change anything in the phone, this is the case happening. So we need to alter few things in phone as well to make it fly more than 30 meters. So let's quickly land it back and do the hack once again. Now I have restarted my drone and connecting the cable to the drone, and I will change the parameters again using the drone hack software. Actually it's taking too much of time to read the parameters, so till then we can do the changes in the phone. Just open your DJI app, and I am showing this for confirmation that I have flied 130 meters with iPhone SE. You can go to the settings. Before that I will show you my internet connection. My internet connection is connected and even my GPS is on. Now click on privacy and turn your local data mode on. After that you need to close your application manually, that is going to the recent app and cleaning your recent apps. Then go back to your DJI app and cross verify whether your local data mode is on or not. And once again mentioning that here internet connection does not matter as much. You can keep your internet connection on or off, that's your wish. And I am showing you the app version that I am using on the iOS device, that is 1.2.5. You can see the firmware as well, and that's it with the phone changes. Now we will change the parameters of the drone using drone hacks, and meanwhile keep your application open, don't close it, and turn your RC off, and don't plug your phone to the RC. I'm done with changing parameters of the drone. I will disconnect the drone. Just for your confirmation, I am showing that local data mode is still on. I don't know why the screen recording did not work properly, and it's not actually displaying the proper content. Now we will take off manually, and once after reaching to some height, just connect your phone, means plug in the cable. And now you can see that the max altitude has been set to 250 meters. And you can see on the screen that I have flied it more than 30 meters, that is presently I think 42 meters. So with the iPhone also you can successfully hack your drone and make it fly more than 30 meters without any risk. Just a small point to add: if you're flying in some forest or some area where aircraft could not get the GPS, that time make sure you take it off, take back the drone, or you don't fly it. You can understand the GPS from the screen itself, the above which you can see the RC network. Beside that it is written as 27. If it's going below 15 or 18, just take your drone back, don't fly it, because if it loses the GPS, then it will start fetching the GPS from your RC, that is your phone. And anyways, we have not used fake GPS, so automatically it will get back to India and it will automatically descend back to 15 meters. And if there are trees which are more heighted than 15 meters, then there is a high chance of getting crashed. So I would recommend not to flight in some forest areas or anything. Keep an eye on your aircraft signal. That's it, you are good to go with the fly. And one more thing to add, don't fly your drone in the restricted area, and do follow the government rules, and don't fly more than 30 meters. I would recommend not to fly more than 30 meters and obey the government rules. This video is just for fun and just to utilize some technology and educate the people. When you're trying this hack, just go to some open place where there is less crowd and less people. Just make sure that's not a restricted area and test this hack there, so that it is safe for you, safe for everybody. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video we will be checking with another method for the Android users to hack their drone parameters. If you have found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
I just wanna be happy.